attorneys will meet with their clients, who are also my clients, and I go with them to give them the holistic, strengths-based social work perspective on issues that they may not know anything about. So we often talk about child development and educational needs, or if there are other needs that the family or the child has, that there's resources in the community that can help meet those. I will inform the lawyers of things like this and help them find the resources that they can connect their clients to. It has always been my intention after graduate school to go and work for CPS. And so when I came across this internship, I was really interested because it gave the legal perspective that you don't really get out of social work, but is so incredibly integral to the Child Protective Services process because you're in and out of court all the time.
I mean, really in this kind of work, and in other kinds of work too, working as a public defender or with kids, you really are these people's social workers in a way. And to have that knowledge about mental illness, about trauma and abuse, about how to collect records that are going to inform your representation of these clients, I just think it's absolutely essential.
So something I've noticed working with the student attorneys is they are so incredibly good at their jobs and in representing their children in the legal arena. But they're so good at their jobs, they need other people to be good at other jobs. So I feel like in order to best serve the kids that we do, it's important that they have a perspective on the situation that's not completely legal. And like many graduate students will understand, when you're in a program that's really intense, you often get very tunnel visioned into whatever your discipline is. And so I've found that I'm very tunnel visioned into social work, and the law students are very tunnel visioned into law. So it's really helpful having both parties around to kind of remind each other of, oh, wait a minute, there's a whole lot more going on here than just any one discipline can address.